Hi, ladies and ladies. Today we're going to be doing a game which I haven't played for a long time. This one is called Heroes of Roblox. So, yeah, we are just going to see if the game has upheld to test of time. Okay, I need to see how this thing works still. What's down here? It's just a window. Oh, it's UGC. Alright. Ooh. uh, Ooh. I prefer this actually. Uh, what's in blues place? I forgot it was the electricity person, isn't it? Little iPad. Yellow. Let's see yellow. This is speed, if I remember right. There you go. Game. Treadmill. Obviously. It's boots. Those are goggles and extra stuff. That one is not a hero. I need to go up here. What's in purples? Is it Dark X? No, I think this is balance, maybe? I don't know. Let me see. Crystals. Yeah, you are. Yep. It's a dead power, honestly. Alan crystals. Right, red's sword about strength, so it's like my Mr. Incredible with his sword. Got weight, boxing bag. So. Then my green. Just have things everywhere. Okay, so yeah, obviously there's the suit. Obviously it's on me. Looks like it's not actually that bad. Um, mission one. I need to be speed or strength for this. I think strength. I'm the only one here, but let's see this. Right, all I need to do is click. Bang, 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 bang. Boy. Bang. Yeah. Wow, what a conveniently timed opening of the door. There's more. Okay. I don't really care. Because all I could do is just punch straight through him like a juggernaut. Like, line you up. There we go. Reactivate ultimate mode. Wow, no conveniently timed access. Let's go for up the bank, the trail, go. No, we can follow it to find. Get this cheap. That's so cringe. Okay, like, boss. I got it, boss. It's fairly weak. Just punch right through it. Punch it, Chippy. You don't interact with the environment. Bang. Nope, I'm on the bus. Yay. Go. Yeah, I actually did used to play this game a lot when I was a kid. Like when I was, I think, 12? No, 11, 12. It was during COVID, so yeah, sounds about right. Parkour. To say there's a bunch of gold. Anyway, doing a lot. Let's do this. I wish they would have added like the ability for first person in this game, but you know, I need speed for this. Speed. Yeah, I need to go this way actually. Go. I need to go up here. Do. High strength. That was the wrong thing. Bang. Okay. Okay, up to date with the issue. When exactly be using everything. Okay. I'm not even up top yet. Cheeseburger. Okay, the save it. It's fine. Okay, okay. But let me fool man. I'm telling you. Right nghe. You're playing this thing over here. That's how I imagine he would walk. Ooh, I literally Mr. Incredible. Okay. It's just say, boring. What's a dark man? Hey. Do, 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 do. But everything's all. Right. These guys, is this guy a juggernaut? Just tanking all the damage. Yeah, he's been squashed. Yeah. Ooh. Scary. 37 big boys. It's 7:31. Alright. I fell off a couple of times, so. What do you going to talk about that? Okie dokie. How's it doing? Right. Right, let's do mission 2. Join that. Mission 2. Fight. Okay, we're going to do all 3 of these, this mission. Okay, why would there be uranium there? Oh, this only does ranged attacks. Bap, 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 bap. You could just spam it, let's go. Um, Get the body out of the way. Okay, it goes depending on the mouse. Got you, homie. Bang. Okay, live. Zapped from a distance. I got you, homie. One of these one shot. Oh my god. That was cold. That was cold. Jeep, 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 jeep. Nice. Let's go to this bird. I I got you, fam. Like this guy do again. Oh, jump. Oh, so he's like the Luigi of his world. Hey, Rosie. I am gonna go this way. Right. Man, I'm dead. I could shoot. Bap. I know, I get it. It's falling. Bang, bang. Spring break, boys. Spring break. Feel like James Bond. Hey, I need you. I could do. Bang. Man. Where do I need to go? I need to speak. Hey, are you open here? No? Right. Broski, how am I supposed to get over there? Broski, how am I supposed to go, man? Wait. Oh, blue and yellow. Let's go. Come. It is literally just me, because that's how dead this game is at this point. Okay. Need to go into the chat back. Why is the hit? Why is the kill box there? Oh, I don't know how I'm supposed to do it. It just doesn't work. Yeah, the game doesn't work, so. So I can't get over there because this gas is blocking that valve and the hitboxes don't work everywhere else. So, like, yeah, I can't do anything. So, yeah. Wait, look. Enjoy this, yeah. It is fairly accurate. I don't know how accurate, but yeah, photo connect. Right. Very cool. Right, let's leave the game. And okay. Last update New Year's Eve, so he's a one-man team, man. Definitely try him. Welcome to the scale of solar system. Top jump. Does that, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so right now first we are actually going to use this speed here, which does send you really fast. Yeah, this will break after a bit. Like, it gets so far out that you literally can't see it. Right, okay. Sun is the largest object in the solar system, and the first one you should see. Have a long way to go. That we do, my friend. Edge of the sun's atmosphere. Good. Go on. And keep in mind, YouTube, we're using this about a educational thing, okay? It's for astronomy. No, I may be able to see at the scale, but Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, so you should still be able to see the other planets. Yeah, I can see it. Good. It's not there. Doing a great boy. And zoom. I think it's still kind of hard to see, but you should still be able to see it. Second planet from the sun, and the hottest in the solar system. Yeah, I can see it. Funny enough, better than Mercury. Right, now there's just a random orange line. Is this meant to start the Goldilocks song? I think so. Apophis. Found several hundred years ago. It's a near-Earth object. It appears in microside of Earth, but those theories were invalidated. You will not be able to see it at this scale. Yeah, this might be the Goldilocks song. Oh no. Wait. If it's a planet we live on. Oh, so that's its companion, Luna, over Moon, which is about 385,000 kilometers away. So it's the largest planet in the solar system, or in the inner solar system. You can see how small the sun really is if you look at it from this point. Yeah, you can see, look, that thing over there is meant to symbolize the sun. Yeah, there's the Earth. Yeah, that's us. Hey. And the moon is on this guy's shoulder. Go. Bingo. Bingo. Funny. Bingo. It's a near-Earth object. Was the only asteroid that humans have gotten, misspell, samples from so far. If you're on its surface and you don't walk carefully enough, you might float in space and never come back, because that's how low its gravity is. Again, you can't see it from this angle, or from this scale. Right, Eris, or Eros. Its closest near-Earth object from Mars is famous for being shaped like a banana. First one to be discovered. The first asteroid that human probe lands on and orbited around. You cannot see it from this scale. Mars. Mars is the last planet in the crowded English solar system, even if it is distant from the others. It's accompanied by Phobos and Deimos, which are impossible to see at this scale due to how small they are. Yeah, you can barely see Mars there. Yeah, keep in mind, I will be doing a Titans of Space video soon, so don't worry about not being able to see moons, because you will be able to see them in that video. You know, it doesn't have asteroids. Welcome to Didymos. One of the furthest major near-Earth objects from the Sun. And its moon, Dimorphos, was the asteroid that collided with a probe in the DART mission. Also impossible to see from this scale. You're gonna hear that a lot. I'm gonna start the asteroid belt. Lester! One of the actual things I've heard of. Largest asteroid in the asteroid belt. So big, it actually has a crust, mantle, and core. Also the closest major asteroid in the asteroid belt to the Sun. It's also one of a few asteroids to have a probe on it. Can't see it from the scale. I think you guys got that by now. Right, now we have all of these boys. Ungomil is a stony asteroid. Kero to call it. And yeah, that's about it. Juno. It has many meteorites, or at least we believe. Also contains 1% of the mass of the asteroid belt. So it's quite bright. Yeah, you see, that's the sun. All the way over there. That bright little thing there.
No, it's that card that she was on. Oh, right, yeah, so that card's not. Oh, hang on.
Ceres, only dwarf planet and the asteroid belt. Oh, yeah, the only dwarf planet in the asteroid belt and also the closest one to the sun. Has a global point period of 4.6 years. Just nearly made a billion orbits in its time of existence. Also, because you can't see it, it's small. Hey, Frank, over there. Why were the top of my cursors? Yeah, fun. Palace. Second to be discovered in the asteroid belt of the series. Also, the second largest asteroid, and it has the most cratered surface in the asteroid belt. Often being described as like a golf ball. Like discovered by Galileo whilst going to Jupiter, and in that same mission, we also discovered Dactyl. Has a lot of geologic features. What the hell is this part supposed to be? Psyche! Oh, she's own type asteroid. They contain more precious metals than other asteroids, thus it is worth 10 quintillion US dollars. About 100,000 times the entire world's GDP as of 2025. Psyche's also the 16th largest asteroid in the entire asteroid belt. Right, It feels like it's supposed to be Intermania, but it's Interamia. Perhaps the most neglected asteroid by the scientific community. Fourth largest in the solar system, wasn't discovered until 1910. And yet we still don't know much about this asteroid. We're at that point now where the sun is not visible anymore. Or starting not to get visible. You can still see it, but it's only like it's like a fifth of the size of my cursor. Like not even that. Like it is still visible, but it's only like a few pixels. I'm gonna say about 10 total, 'cause that's how far away we are. 52 Europa. It's the fifth largest asteroid, and it's the same name as Jupiter's moon. Lecture has 3 moons. Also, the asteroids have most moons. Some of them have 2, but we found out it had 3. Hygeia! Very large asteroid in the solar system. 10th ever discovered because of the darkness. And it's pi. A-U-O-A. Wait. Before Jupiter, we have this 67p. Yeah, I know. It's the number. First comment you will see so far. My last one before Jupiter. Relatively unremarkable comment. Barely getting farther up than Jupiter. Not make it closer than Earth. If it's thousands of objects that are very similar to it. Its claim to fame, however, is that it was the target of the Rosette mission. First mission to land on orbit and study a comet. Also, shit like a binky. You know, you dummy. And up, go back, go back, go back, go back. Yep, here we are at Jupiter here. So basically, it's the largest planet in the solar system. 4 major moons, which are Ganymede, Callisto, Io, and Europa. And yeah, there's I think 60 moons total. Right. There's Jupiter. Emoji is so small you can't see it. There's Io there. That there. And there's Europa. Yeah. There's Ganymede. And there is Callisto. There's another moon, which is Koi, all the way out here. And here is Saturn. So planet has, from what I can tell, 7 major moons. Yep. One of which is Titan, second largest moon in the entire solar system. Has 145 other moons. 140 roughly other moons. Has most moons in the solar system, and also has its wings. There's the wings. There's Mimas, Enceladus, Enceladus, Tethys, Dione, 4 of which you can't see. Rhea, which is right there. Okay. It's Titan, here. Yeah. Hyperion, which you can't see. Iapetus, which is barely visible. You can see it there. barely. There's Phoebe. Can't see. And there is this one. S2004 S52. All of those different moons, I think. Yes. Sharon. Is it? What colour is your bouquet? That's one of the most unusual objects in the solar or maybe solar system. Let's, let's start with the factor with its first centaur ever discovered. The objects between Jupiter and Neptune in distance from the Sun, and are not in the gas giants or their moon systems. Secondly, it's the smallest object that have rings. And third, it's classified both as a minor planet and a comet, which technically makes it the only comet in the solar system to have rings we know about. Oh, whoa, oh, oh, oh. Chavaclo! It's the largest centaur, and it's a lot like Chiron in many different ways, but it's not classified as a comet, and its wings are much more defined. Also, it has the most stable orbit of all the major centaurs, and that is important because all the centaurs are in unstable orbits, and are all the centaurs in unstable orbits are likely to collapse in a few million years. Reference, the sun is still visible. We have to get the angle right. And even then, it's currently on the screen 2 pixels. That is it. They are right here. 2 pixels. That's it. Haley's comet. No, Halley's. Most famous comet in the solar system. One will slam a sun in less than 200 years, and it is visible to the naked eye when it's close to the sun. It appeared in 1986 and is expected to come back in 2061. Anyway, for most comets orbits like this one are extremely elongated, like close to the Sun and Venus and further than Neptune. They is simply the average between closest and farthest comets from the Sun. Still 2 pixels. Yeah, right. Here is Uranus. Has 5 major moons, 2 are big enough to see, which are Titania and Oberon. Has 28 moons total, and it's also the coldest planet in the solar system, the least massive gas giant. Yep, there we are, Titania and Oberon. There's the other 3 as well, Umbriel, Miranda and Ariel. Can't see them. And this one over here is Ferdinand. Yeah, so they made the name Ferdinand get shunted out of the awareness. That sounds so wrong out of context. That's actually so wrong. Yeah, basically, they made Ferdinand get shunted out from Right plane. Yeah. Ooh.
Alright.
Neptune. Last gas planet. Smallest gas planet accompanied by one major moon, Triton, and 15 others. The only planet orbiting Neptune, or the only objects, are dwarf planets and asteroids in the Kuiper Belt and shared disk. Notice we updated the colours to make it brighter. Proteus, so visible. Triton, right there, as narrowed, and all the way out here is S2021 N1. Yes, they literally did make a platform out here. Yeah, the sun is so far away from here, it's literally not visible. You might be able to see Saturn from out here, or Uranus, but not the sun. So, because that's how far away it is. Focus. Here we are. With Vanth. You can see the orbit, but that's it, pretty much. First major object in the Kuiper Belt, along with the second dwarf planet from the Sun. It's often called the anti-Pluto, but it's on the other side of its orbit from Pluto. Right. Now, from this point on, there's a lot more stuff. I'm not going to name all of it. I'll leave. I'll do the major stuff, but that's better. Pluto, most likely the most famous object in the Kuiper Belt, and close to Lempo here. It has 5 moons, including Charon, which is the largest moon, 1/2 Pluto's size. It's so large that Pluto and Charon are in a binary system. Also the largest trans-Neptunian object and a dwarf planet, just larger than Earth. Right, now here we have Haumea, largest ellipsoid in the solar system. It has 3.9 hours as a rotation period. Also the third largest TNO with 2 moons. Also density that is around twice the usual density of a TNO. Yeah, it is a high format. Made out of mostly rock. Device with Haumea, with Haika, and Yamaka. There's Haumea. Yeah. You can't see the moons, but that's Haumea. They're rock people. Quah! Second largest ellipsoid in the solar system. Also has one of 2 TNOs, the ring system, and has a moon, shaped like an egg. Quawa is also theorized to have a methane atmosphere. It's really small though, and it has a density 100 million times less than Earth. Is it? Nope. Nope. Go past that. It's not important. Maki Maki! Maki Maki. Fourth largest TNO. TNO stands for Trans-Neptunian Object.
It's got the long tails, I think. Swifts have got shorter tails.
Has a chance of a subsurface ocean, and its orbit is extremely tilted from the ecliptic, about 30 degrees.
Okay.
There's Moon, MK2. And there's Maggie Maggie. Right there. Alright there. X is of importance. I'm a speedy boy. It might not seem like I'm going very fast, but yeah.
Really sad having like that. Oh, what's happened? Well, they do, but sometimes because they've got a big wingspan, they need room to take off. Yeah. And if they're in a like, small area, yeah, they can't open the wings to take off, so they're just stuck there. Oh no! You have to literally pick them up. Look, so if you ever see a swift laying like that, yeah, you can't get anywhere. Oh right. So go and help.
Gong gong. Yep, we're covering this. It's gong gong. First major object in a shattered disk, really far away from the sun. Well, in fact, it was last time it was in my position. It was during 2025. Not 2025, 2015. That last time for that, we didn't even discover the new world. And we have a moon called Zhang Liu. Poor Chinese. Ellis! Here we go. Second most distant dwarf planet from the sun. Also the second largest dwarf planet. Most massive dwarf planet with a moon called Tsunami. Actually, that's not true, that. It's most famous for it has most famous shattered disk object, and even with its distance from the sun, it's quite white. Its moon is called Tsunami, and there's a planet. Yeah. Yeah, we are so far out, it's literally the visuals starting to get bugged.
Further doing that to like shooting them.
Nope, I fell off from it. Right. Yeah, it's like 260,000 with Z-axis, so yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna end it here. Hang on. But yeah, I will probably be back soon. Bye bye.